啊，係班闊太班陀地啊，你結咗婚我都屌你老母啊！做你嗱 K 我揾個 friend 啊，佢做老公啊，佢呢個八輩跟住我嘅，你仲係走閪狗咁樣嘅，我唔識佢㗎，係啊，啲 friend 搭出嚟啲九唔搭八嘅專門狗友嚟嘅，咁咧佢就我喺聖安德烈堂度經營啦，咁班友就閪狗我，唔俾我避住。就咁求其揾喺 Facebook 嘅抄啲 friend 出嚟咧，閪搭 friend，閪咗啲九唔搭八嘅專門狗友出嚟，叫翻出嚟啊！叫翻班中學同學出嚟啦！屌你老母啊！80歲，屌你老母啊！傻婆嚟㗎你傻婆嚟㗎啊！咁班同學你閪鳩我，咁第二樣你搞鳩我未驚過啊！你死八婆你白痴，戇撚鳩！屌你老母！你揾翻中學同學，我屌你老母啊！邊個閪婆啊？九唔搭八嘅專門狗友嚟嘅，你唔識我唔識你，見過生面孔，你揾啲生面孔嚟搞鳩我，屌你老母啊！家產。就要追翻呢班傻婆啊嘛，係啊！你以為過嚟你易死晒啲人啊嘛？你而家衰我話上啊！你老母唔當我流嘅白痴，我又冇當翻你流啊！出嚟講嘢啊死八婆啊！你假鳩我又假到，我哋假乜撚嘢啊？你冇乜謀殺我，你求謀殺啊嘛！叫翻傻婆出嚟啊！加速high school 班係啊！你係 in dangerous situation all the time. The high school student here, the fans on Facebook. I will tell you from the Hong Kong,聖安德烈堂尖沙咀here because of that. Typhoon because of the big wind and bug and get a fuck the shit raining. Then I went into the St. Anthony Town to take some rest and ask them to help. And they turned around the face and fucked me up and follow me from the Hillwood Wall to Tsim Sha Tsui and ask the people to attack me and find my informations here from my work, from my traveling informations and visited locations to pass the message around in Hong Kong area to attack my face. I want to ask you what's going on here. Fuck your way, you don't fit my face. 白痴啊！因為傻婆喺加拿大嘅，你幾歲過去就乜柒都唔識嘅，就跟咗傻鬼傻鳩，就傻鳩傻，唔知入咗咩邪教，跟住翻香港以為自己好撚勁，我爭撚住你屌你老母啊！你班傻婆喺香港過翻個班啊，似班臭鬼係鳩我，你都戇鳩嘅，你食屎大㗎！呢個咪同你收埋書數咯，係啊，你係鳩我而家仲喺度，我咪特登講翻個 history 出嚟嘛，你鳩講嘢，你都戇撚鳩，繼續講。你都講笑啊！嗱，你 HSBC 嘅指紋技術嗰個因為同我 high school 嗰啲專門狗友點樣先鳩我有關嘅，係啊，指紋技術啊，全球震撼啊！你仲偷我指紋技術啊？你閪衰我所以啲人偷我啲嘢嘛，係啊，咁咪追翻你中學同學嗰班專門狗友咁咪戇鳩咯！你白痴80歲屌你老母啊！你當戇鳩啊！你想喺度塊面，我未驚過啊！你張組都唔掂啊！冚家鏟，你幾時啊？我講你出嚟咯，出嚟同我對嘴啊！上網對嘴啊！你戇鳩嘅，喺度街口你驚過啦！我班臭鬼你閪鳩我面啊！我兜咪屌你死你啊！班臭鬼，你白痴嘅，好撚勁咩？你冇撚面啫嘛，做啲嘢嗱，我繼續打去 high school 個學生會繼續講呢個問題。我哋抽離學校咯，逼啲學生入黑社會咯，跟住叫啲學生仔叫大阿媽出嚟搞事咯，調撚翻轉，啲阿媽入啲學生嚟搞事，係啊，就逼我啊嘛，咪就講呢個問題咯。你同我作對台啊？做咩啊？叫啲死狗我啊！我閪鳩我面搞喺我面啊！搞撚翻啲可以啊？邊啲過嚟㗎？我問知邊啲咁出嚟問你咯？你幾見我啊？你有冇襲擊啊？你假人假義啊？我啲咩料嘛？你唔識我唔識你嚇，素面之緣你想點撚樣啊？我啲 friend 啊，識啲老鼠啊？你白痴嘅，你做老鼠啦，做徒弟啦，你扮闊太咯，你白痴嘅死傻婆，成班傻婆就溫哥華扮闊太，跟住翻到香港啊，巴撚閉以為自己似撚住班臭鬼咧，就搞埋飲集團，以為好撚文明白痴，成班黑幫嚟嘅，收皮啦你，我啲所有學校我投訴你。翻香港、深圳嗱，咁啊家產咧，原來就揾嚟搞清我嘅，我完全冇定境先，我係溫哥華起飛就冇定境，同警方交代咩事，跟住去荷里活、西雅圖，又再報警去當地報多一次警，跟住飛到去韓國、日本，我再報多次警，再交代多件事，然後翻香港再報多次警，我話俾警方發生咩事啊嘛？你假設我身份啊？你假設我身份啊嘛？沿途揾人襲擊我啊嘛？又俾我旅行啊嘛？去旅行揾人襲擊我啊嘛？俾我講嘢啊嘛？跟住假我身份揾人襲擊我，我又食屎，我又放蛇。係啊！俾個放蛇，俾個做星佬嘛，咁我不停咁講啲啊，白痴都戇鳩嚟搞嘅，你戇撚鳩咧，假鳩我啊！未你驚過你假鳩我，不停咁打夠單報警，我不停咁打單報警，每一個國家咁做，每一個國家都咁做啊！你白痴講得你幾死啊！家產，你咪臭火閪，因為搞死我，未你驚過。喂，咁家產咧就係喺地皮街 Fair Road 十不作晚就揾人扮 BB， 揾啲 B 嚟告，唔知揾咩揾啲 B 啦，跟住揾牛高馬大嘅傻婆嚟扮 BB， 咁就係最緊要第一方式扮個普德順有搞事。今日係一班黑社會。要操控一個普德信進行咧恐怖襲擊同埋謀殺嘅，佢而家轉咗角色咧，就代 BB 嘅白 黐嘅，點解冚家鏟咧？我啲狗賊嚟嘅，成班狗嚟嘅，跟住扮 B B，成班狗賊又扮 B B， 跟住話自己 B B， 用 B B 嚟告乜嘢啊？捉翻就坐監啦，傻噶，傻噶，係啊，牛公馬大成大嬸咁樣扮 B B 啊，戇鳩，仲去坐監，捉撚曬班坐監，將班報得順全部推出嚟，邊間報得順？人名、名單、公司名。加拿大鬼咧，俾你生仔就係嗰啲 B 零打鳩嚟嘅，我揾個人仲要 T 恤買個 B， 牛公馬傻貨嚟嘅，嗰個傻貨嚟買個 B。係啊，報得順傻㗎，咪話你傻咗，所以我投訴過你乜大嚿嘅啫。That's why we call that one a commander for the production makeover. They are sexual harassment from the racist and racial and affect the people identity. They ask the woman who wish has some crazy problem and mental problem and affect them to come out to meet the baby. And actually they want to blocking you to have a baby. That's mean they blocking you to have a baby. Allow you to have a baby. They ask the production and they ask the baby to fit on you. On your face, baby to be bad attitude to the people, and turn to the woman with the man and woman to turn the character to be baby. And on the street, from the production, from the actual investment behind, actually they're blocking your family and have children, and to cooperate business, and also with the communications and with the media. They are blocking you with the media from the production in Vancouver, and ask the people from the church are allowed to work with your hobby, interest, and dream for your living. This is how the business will communicate from the productions. We don't understand where they come from. They actually control by from the over 10 years the one from Hong Kong, behind the sexual slave from Hong Kong, TSE, Tsim Sha Tsui Church from Hong Kong, Kowloon, they hidden up from the church. Actually, they have some group is successful from one from Hong Kong, and they try to make the view from the kids and use the kids, the elites, with the mental people and also with the people who have elite mind and simple mind to control them, to fit them and kick them into the gangster group. And the name which is from Hong Kong to Vancouver and create some kind of terrorism group to control the production and the society and turn your face and identity and shit your face and try to break your children in the community. This is how the French we're going to continue talk about this kind of topic media because they lock our identity, not allow us to speak out with the positive way, and they force us to be bad shit and asshole and fire pigs to the sexual slave from the production group, from the classical secondary, from the high school student, from your past, and fake your face with the Facebook and try to ask your classmate and your schoolmate to fake on you and attack you on the street again and again. And you pass the message through to different country and screw up your culture because they want to screw up your face and Facebook, the connections from the friends, from the community and the company, and try to block you in different way and society. This is the what we're going to do and find out what they're doing behind. And find out what they're doing behind step by step, killing you in murder and bully and killing you from the society. And why would they want this kind of shit? This is what we find out from Vancouver to Hong Kong. Here the Vancouver, there's a fuck mother, they fuck up the head. They because they like to suck their dick from the street. They like to suck the dick from the street and lick their pussy. That's why they will attack the children from the different culture. Here they want to attack the culture. From here they lock our face up. They lock our speech. Not allow the children to speak. From educations to learn the mathematics and physics. And from the production here they turn your face and fake your face. Not allow you to have home. They not allow you to have home from Canada from the production Vancouver. They want to use as a superstar to attack your face as the people from the pig shit and pig mouth. And from the beach, from the productions, and not allowed to have home. Attack your children, attack your family, and rape your wife, rape your kid, and rape your children from Hong Kong to Vancouver, the Triangle, Hollywood. This is the marketing they are pushing out to the market. Here, that's why we want to talk to the high school, elementaries, and the UBC from the Vancouver, all the way from the low court Vancouver to the high court Toronto. What's going in the complaint from the production? They ask the people to attack us and push it to the market and not allow me, TSE from Hong Kong, the design director, not allow me to have home. And attack my mother from Cindy Fashion, from the Cindy Fashions, and watching you from the street, and bat your mouth, and bitch your face, and bitch your children's. And the productions here want to fake the people, fake the community, and turn the community around, try to fake the traveler, and form the fake traveling team to travel around the world with the fake face and try to pass the fake message and fake calculations from Vancouver, Hong Kong to the other country. We can't mention this to the high school student and elementary school all the way to the UBC. They want to use the fake calculator, fake hat from the production Vancouver to fake our face and not allow people at home. And when you have home, they will destroy your home, and fire us in your home. And if you have kid and family, they will destroy your family. They will kill your mother, kill your kid, kill your children, and rape your wife from the family from here where you come from. And as Asia, actually they are from the production, from the marketing, from around the different productions, media, and they here. They will cooperate with here the Navy Street actually gay people behind in control people.com. Then they use this kind of people and they have to pass the message around and follow some kind of travel trip to travel around to the Vancouver and to the other country to fake the people's face and allow the people at home to steal lead the people to stealing people design idea and fake the people's face and try to attack them the original idea originally to die. Then we're going to stand out here from Calgary again and again talk about this kind of topic from Vancouver. Because they continue to attack us and ask the people to not helping me, my name is TSD, and try to blocking my SOS message from the Vancouver, from the production, to turn around to the movie to fake me to the porn star. This is what they're doing in the production behind from Hong Kong to Vancouver, from the back money investment, to try to do this kind of shit, to kill the people from your design, and not allow you to have home. To have children, and all the way attack you from the living on the streets, and actually what kind of people we are looking for them. We're looking for them from the police stations, and we ask the police to try to communicate with these people, the production here who working my design, my TSC, and they are around trying to use my design to attack me and attack my family and allow me to have home business. And that's why we're going to stand out on the street and to speak out and try to cooperate with 911. And for the 911, tell this kind of people what's going on behind the scene and to tell some people and from the overseas different country. And the motherfucking they ask the Asia, they look like the Hong Kong or some kind of Hong Kong or the Asia look speak, and they ask the teenager to attack my design. My name is TSC, and use the teenager to not respect you because they want to have a hidden message behind and try to kill and murder you from Vancouver from behind the productions. Here, whatever production here, we're going to chase on you. We're going to chase on you and talk about this kind of topic all the time. Even you, from my face on the street, every day. This is for 20 years already. I'm not scared of you, and I will from this kind of shit people, I recognize your face and also talk to people everywhere about this kind of people, and you have no face anymore. For fucking sure, I'm step on your head and fuck you the production in Vancouver. You got shit on my face. I don't wear it and I don't care. And I care about it. Here, you will killing my family and my family here, and for killing me and take the advantage from my family and also from the community with the stupid people. That's why I want to call the 911 again and tell them they want to fix the community with this kind of shit. And with the gangster from Hong Kong overseas, they use this kind of method to attack you from the gangster wing, from the gangster, and for this kind of movement and attack will push the people into the gangster and lead them to the gangster, and they cannot run away anymore. That's why people they continue working on this kind of shit and close their mouth. After they working on this kind of shit and run away, it's called hit and run. They lead the people to hit and run from Vancouver, the productions from Vancouver, the fake production behind everywhere about this kind of shit. They lead the people from here to be a murder, bully, to be car accidents. They turn the people into different character to pretend the asshole from the street. And they hit and run. They lead the people from the production movie that hit and run on the street. That's what we're going to mention about the 911 and community. And if somebody asks you to do this kind of shit from production to superstar, please beware. It's from the bad money from Hong Kong and try to killing you behind the hidden message. And try to harass you and not respecting you. And try to use this kind of people and blocking your speech to allow you to speak out your theory from behind. Then they ask the gangster from here, the Glasgow Secondary High School. They are gangster students with cooperate with the Hong Kong and also the Grenfell, some kind of gangster behind. They ask them to attack the baby. When people with the baby and family together, they will attack them and not allow them the traveler in make them in dangerous situations. Yeah. The Grenfell here, we are a traveler from Vancouver and travel around from the country because of their forced them away from Hong Kong. Then we are traveling in Vancouver alone, and they not allow us to speak out and not allow us to have home. And find the gangster from the production to attack our living, from the some kind of director, the asshole director behind. Who are they? We need a name because they're killing us from the 10 years, from the past 10 years, 20 years. They continually attack us. and put us in dangerous situations and pretend nothing and continue to attack us because of our design, because of from the Hong Kong police killing, murder, and turn to us to be people, to be assholes everywhere. Because they want to murder us, because they want to kill us. That's why we inform a lot of people to not respecting you and close their mouth and not respecting you and not allow you to speak out and attack you from the street. They attack you from the street and not allow you to speak. They pretend nothing. They take your desire away and hit everyone and they pretend nothing. And the media here, they try to not let the people know the dangerous situation in Vancouver actually some kind of gangster under control from Hong Kong to Hong Kong in control to in the street on the street with the gangster people and attack the children every single day because of some kind of SM mind, some kind of SM mind. And they turn the people to be fifth and gangster to SM mind and use this kind of gangster way and a shitty way to attack the people and the family and the children from different high school, elementaries, and the kindergarten. Be careful, Vancouver police and the community around. And also the production will ask you and invest yourself shit. You will lose everything. Here the Vancouver from the Grenfell Street, fuck up the people asshole the production. They're blocking us to go to stable office. Here, they're blocking us to the stable office, not allow us to work on our business, not allow us to work on our promotion and marketing. Here, the productions, who are you? We're going to change the production. You ask the police station, you ask this kind of productions, or who the investment? Fuck you, the motherfucking production, they fuck up the director. Fuck you, the director, fuck you, the director. Who are you? Fuck you. Motherfucker. I'm going to change this motherfucking production and get these people to jail. Yep. I will call the 911 and get this production to jail first, and then we will find another investment continually working on our positive theory. And they are the negative, they fuck up the face and shit the things out. They shit the thing, we continue to talk about this kind of topic and tell the community from high school, elementary, and university to do the promotion marketing, tell about over the world, this kind of people try to scope up our face and harass and attack our children, not allow us at home. Working on this kind of projects here because it's against our living, they use the people attack us for the G or fuck up the Chinese people. I doesn't know that this kind of people. Okay? We don't want these people. Whatever you want this production or event, we're gonna change them. We kick them to the jail first. Kick you to the jail, fuck you the production for Vancouver. We're not allowed you to work on our work project. Fuck you. You motherfucker, they're against our work, they're not cooperate. They try to cut our face and school of our projects and attack our children, attack our family. Us at home. Yeah, that's why we're going to change their face, change their production. We're going to take them to jail. No way, fuck you, stupid people, fuck you, you asshole. You think we're a pig? You want to push us to the sexual slave? Knock your head, fuck you, the Vancouver production. We change you. We not allow you to work on our projects. Motherfucker, from the Grenfell Street, who are you from the Robson? Fuck your face, no way. Then they ask the production from Vancouver, they fake the people have from the fame movie production from Vancouver here. And they ask the people to attack your baby and your son and your daughter and your family from the street. Here, they making a movie, actually it's the hidden message behind the terrorism group behind from some kind of different nationality that they want to have a hidden message to kill you, murder, bully from hidden up the message from 10 years ago from 2004 to 014 to 014 to 034 in the future they want to continue working on bullying, arson and killing from covering by some kind of movie productions and keep passing the fake message. The fake message actually is undercover the hidden up message to killing, murder, bully, murder and arson the people from the community and allow people to have home and family and children. If your children, they will attack you from the production, asking the back money from investment continually and take the people money from the movie street here from the Grenfell. True is true. They working with the people from Hong Kong, gangster, from Hong.com behind with the investment control and pay the money for the production and ask all people from here. You ask them who they are. They said they will attack the people and attack the children face and killing family to allow them to have home and family and parents and baby. They will fine. They can become a pilot. Yeah, that's why we're going to very curious and very worried about this kind of community and culture in from Vancouver to Hong Kong in between. They fuck up the people from Shenzhen and they keep import the girls from the people in the international student to be a fake the school and open the school with a fake teacher to sign the visa card, to sign the visa for them for overseas to pass import the girl from China and Asia country and lead them to be a sexual slave. And what they are doing now is ask them to attack the baby and family and they can stay here and get a Canadian passport and take a fake marriage with some kind of white fuckhead and also the India. So beware this kind of production. They are fake production. They fake movie behind the fuck up investment. 我哋反對嘅 production 喺做我哋嘢，你做乜嚟啦？我唔知做咩嗱。你班友咧就揾一班女嚟做雞，就嗌咗班 international import 做過嚟咧，就可以去間假學校。去間假學校咧就專啲搞 visa 俾人做 import 嘅。其實暗地背後咧有班傻佬咧係就係恐怖集團出嚟嘅賣淫集團頭目嘅。你 import 班裏咧就做雞嘅，揾佢哋係啊，跟住就周圍可以攻擊人，就做一班人就進行恐怖襲擊啦，就襲擊啲細路仔係啊，咁係啊，佢而家揾緊美少女戰士啊，因為我上網用美少女戰士嚟做 topic 咧，咁佢用咗美少女戰士呢個 topic 咧嚟班女嚟做雞，同埋可以攻擊啲細路仔啦，係啊，恐怖襲擊啦，小心啊，係啦，就係咁樣啊嘛，我用你個名上網揾啲咁樣 hacker 嗰啲 hacker 嚟攞住你寫啲嘢，跟住再轉咗你嘅角色去進行恐怖襲擊同威脅你本人嘅生活啊嘛，跟住叫人哋唔睬你嘛，跟住叫人攻擊你喺條街度，啱啱先幾條女嘅過嚟啊，係啊嗰啲 international girl， 佢呃啲 international girl， 係佢呃啲入口外國過嚟讀書嘅，啲呃人就做雞，係真㗎，所以我咪反對而家冇得順做嘢咯，反對而家冇得順喺度暗地裏喺度做電腦喺客機攞人哋資料，進行恐嚇同埋掃同埋襲擊咯，係啊，不停反對我再講單位，話俾全球咁你哋聽，會進行呢方面嘅廣播咯。係啊，佢會襲擊我哋屋企人啊嘛，佢會襲擊我啊嘛，佢俾我生活啊嘛，佢用我個名，用美少女戰士，用我個名美少女戰士嚟變做第二個角色，跟住再用佢哋呢個角色嚟攻擊我本人嘅設計師啊嘛，我做緊呢樣嘢咯，喺溫哥華，佢重複做緊呢樣嘢咯，我寫乜嘢佢攞我名嚟攻擊我，不停咁攞我名嚟攻擊我寫字佢唔俾我寫字嘛，因為佢唔俾我寫字，佢唔俾我發出信息嘅 marketing， 咁佢利用 marketing 嘅信息嚟惡意攻擊我，恐怖襲擊我啦，而家佢做緊呢啲嘢喺度，所以我反對進行呢方面行動，我同全球大家都咁講㗎，同全球 communication 都係咁講。首先咧，去尖沙咀係喺聖海德烈堂咧，就揾把傻婆咧就講我頭先嘅，咁一把傻婆咧喺聖海德烈堂嗰班啦，20歲出頭，你而家先14、50歲啦，你都戇撚鳩嘅，你80歲我屌你老母啦，聖海德烈堂你把傻婆，你都戇鳩嘅傻閪學咪咁傻閪學咯，臭閪學，你臭閪學啦，聖海德烈堂你老母嚟啫嘛，佢出嚟講嘢，你縮頭盔啦，因為鳩我俾你驚過，我講所有大學、所有中學、小學不停咁巡迴演唱、巡邏演播，係啊。不停咁打電話喺學校申請咯，不停咁講呢個問題咯，我哋係恐怖襲擊、恐怖集團咯，我而家要炒你魷魚啊，死八婆，炒你聖安德烈堂乜死八婆魷魚，我炒你班聖班魷魚啊，攞你骨出嚟啊，攞你骨出嚟啊，老撚勁到喺右邊啊嘛，攞個名出嚟啊，你十閪啦你，十鳩場，你十鳩場啦，你白痴閪你啊，即刻開住睇下個十鳩場，攞出嚟笑啊，攞出嚟俾全世界笑啊，我而家幫緊你，再講你班八婆上台，揾齊你班冚家鏟，推你冚家鏟啊，聖安德烈堂屌老母，我同全世界都咁講啊，係啊，美國都係咁講，自由神像都屌你老母，80歲屌你老母，你戇鳩嘅，同全世界 high school elementary 都咁講。冇襲擊我嘛，你襲擊細路仔俾你屋企啊嘛，你白痴攞出嚟講啊！冇得有面，你食屎啦，有得面啊，名你都冇戇鳩，你叫美少女戰士出嚟閪啦，你攞個名嚟玩啦，戇鳩，我炒緊你魷魚。我講呢啲係啲小姐全世界嘅，笑得你戇鳩，笑得你聖安德烈堂仆街冚家鏟，係跟住啦，炒你班聖安德烈堂魷魚，你叫出嚟啊！20歲佢踩鳩我啊嘛，喺南道出嚟啊！80歲屌你老母啊！我俾你驚過，我個臭鬼啊！我死咗4年都同班臭鬼打，我俾你驚過啊！我又加入嚟度同你吹撚死你，我吹撚死你 ，high school 吹撚死你冚家鏟，我去中學、小學、大學吹撚死你，聖海德烈堂出嚟啊！你出嚟打撚死我乜人？屌你老母！你揾我哋啊！死八婆！你揾我哋啊！咁大耳窿啊！我唔夠999你話車死我啊！999香港警隊，你話車死我笨，你話車死我度啊！我警隊，你叫加拿大警隊車撚死我啊！你叫加拿大警方 ask the police from the Vancouver, Hong Kong, the police want to kill you here from the black police behind. They ask the police from Vancouver to kill you. Yeah, we talk to the police from 911. Yeah, the police from Hong Kong. They try to fake your identity and try to kill you. Ask the people to do the car accident to kill you and not allow you to speed out for your work and for your living and not allow you to have living at home. And try to do the car accident from here to Vancouver. Ask the police from the Westminster. Yeah, keep on talking about this kind of shit. What are they doing? You want to hit them up? The police want to hit them up? Want to fire you? Want to fire the police from Vancouver? You want to kill me? You want to kill me because of the fuck up the message from Hong Kong, the fuck up the mother fake mouth? Ask the fake mouth. You ask the who asked you to come out. That's what we want to know. Who asked the police come out and use the people and try to look at a car accident and continue asking the community with a car accident and fake your face. We don't ask the hey, everywhere from the community, everywhere. And they will monitor your family and ask the people try to get into your living area and living zone to get into your family community and try to fake your family behind from the bad money investment from the black police. Cooperate with the 11.com and fuck up the church from Vancouver. They ask this kind of people here. Please beware. This kind of people from Hong Kong, the church, the 尖沙咀, from 11.com cooperate with the church hidden up inside and pretend Christian. Be careful. And here, actually they're from sexual slave. And try to affect the people, the idiots, the girls, the boys, here, simple children, and fake them to be a gangster. And turn them into sexual slave and work for them for different kind of terrorism in the community. And try to get into your family living area and try to get into your living area and community and fake your friends from the high school, from the university, from your work, and fake the people from the security and around the people community. Then protect you from the fake message. Be careful to come for microphone. Be careful the police. This is the message passing around. Who are you? Where the message come from? Yeah. You ask them the name and ask the police station what's going on. Yeah. And we continue to talk to the police. Continue. And figure out how to prevent even this kind of comment. Also, sexually and also gangster get into our living area. 跟住教你嘅揾啲美少女展示光景咧，你呃啲女仔出嚟做雞同埋出嚟行街嘅，啲無知輩同埋學生，係啊，所以我哋咪要同校長講，有班人喺度呃緊啲學生家庭，進行恐怖襲擊，背後有個細嘅陰謀，講緊呢樣嘢啊嘛，嗰班臭雞就做緊呢樣嘢嘛，假裝我哋新聞啊嘛，係啊，佢用美少女戰士個名，就進行恐嚇勒索，就呃班美女出嚟嘅，就進行謀取嘅嗰位方式，背後嘅陰謀就係想謀殺。佢因為佢想揾啲美女出嚟，就溝女，跟住咧就乘機俾佢哋做雞，就諗住唱衰我嘅果。係啊，所以我咪就係同班美少女講，我特登用美少女戰士嚟 topic 噶嘛，跟住佢哋實揾美少女班出嚟做雞行街噶嘛，我知道佢做緊乜嘢啊，佢想攞 topic 閪嘢啊嘛，咁所以我咪要同班美少女講咯。係啊，直接講翻嚟講，嗰班壞人集團嚟嘅，就喺操控住教會同埋香港警隊咧進行謀殺嘅陰謀，小心啊！冚家產咧，我啲籌碼喺溫哥華同香港搞嘢，係啊，冚家產咧就要知道佢哋喺邊嚟嘅，有班死婆，有班死婆做呢啲嘢嘛香港，你做咩同立法會話？你做咩唔同警局講話？你有班人叫你搞嘢，跟住叫你周圍踢人，你見唔到新聞報晒咩？咪就係班傻婆咯，真係踢鳩人啊嘛，係啊，香港教會教嘅，係啊，聖安德利堂教噶嘛，你問翻聖安德利堂咧，叫班搞嘢嘛，跟住周圍踢人，周圍惡意攻擊人，周圍口水鼻涕去攻擊人，咁樣啊嘛。係啊，你冇睇新聞咩？你都戇鳩嘅死八婆，你戇鳩㗎，而家捉你坐監啊！有人教佢咁做嘅，有班傻婆，就後面有班一石集團，有班陀地、第二窿，就操控住聖安德烈堂嗰班傻婆，就夾埋咧搞啲傻婆出嚟咧，都係踢人，周圍打乞嗤，都係打喊路，同埋都係用不同嘅方法去襲擊啲途人啊嘛，咪講呢啲嘢咯。你警察對你白痴嘅，你教人做呢啲嘢你唔知道啊？你叫班陀地出去轉圈做呢啲嘢，我要攻擊你唔撚知啊？你都戇鳩嘅，你白痴嘅，聖安德烈堂你20幾歲出嚟嗰班啊，你出嚟落口供啊！我通緝你班冚家產，聖安德烈堂，你夠姜出嚟啊！屌你老母，你食屎啦你冇撚面啊！你唔夠姜啊！攞你名出嚟啊！攞你樣出嚟啊！同我對嘴啊！你食屎啦冚家產！你叫班臭鬼揼柒我未你經過，我屌你班臭鬼仆街為止！搞咁樣做咧，嗰班香港聖安德烈堂班臭婆咧，同埋溫哥華班臭婆咧，你臭你阿媽，豬你阿媽閪啊！戇鳩！你以為你美少女戰士啊？你死撚緊你喎！依班學生中意搞嘛？仲要嘢去底，睇緊班學生去底，睇邊個學校出嚟嘅，同佢個 president 講，我而家就打去丹灘堡個中學部，我同個 president 傾一傾嘅問題，一個戇鳩嘅白痴，睇你幾時死啊死八婆啊！你跟 international 再搞先，我打去學校，打去 international school 嗰度，係啊，打國際學校同埋呢個留學生嗰個收題嗰度，我同佢討論呢個問題，係等你食屎你班冚家產死八婆，等你跨境買入啊，等你入口學生進行恐怖集團啊嘛，乜白痴嘅，你假結婚啊，我不斷講呢啲嘢，睇你幾時死啊！香港你生臭八婆，聖喺度你當，你出嚟啊！你冇撚面啊！屌你老母，你單單及鳩我啊！又唔撚啦，仆街！邊個做Juliana啊？邊個係Juliana？啊？有冇死我搞鳩我啊？我揾個 friend 啊嘛，啊！嗱，有見過一次佢出嚟就解救我，你冇救我出嚟攞死八婆，你出嚟攞工啊？搞乜嘢啊？你班陀地啊？你班闊太班陀地啊？你結咗婚都屌你老母啊！做你嗱，我揾個 friend 啊，佢做老公啊，呢個八婆跟鳩住我嘅，咁你仲係狗閪鳩個樣嘅出嚟，我唔識佢㗎，係啊，啲 friend 搭出嚟啲九五八八嘅專門狗友嚟嘅，咁咧佢就我喺聖安德烈堂度傾嘢啦，咁班友就閪鳩我，唔俾我避雨，就咁求其揾喺個 Facebook 度抄啲 friend 出嚟咧，閪搭 friend，閪咗啲九五八八嘅專門狗友出嚟，叫翻佢出嚟啊！叫翻班中學同學出嚟啦！屌你老母啊！80歲屌你老母啊！傻婆嚟㗎你傻婆嚟㗎啊！今晚陀地嘅閪鳩我，今晚大妖嚟夾鳩我未驚過啊！你死八婆你白痴，戇撚鳩！屌你老母！你揾翻中學同學，我屌你老母啊！邊個閪婆啊？嗱九唔撚八，專門狗友嚟嘅，你唔識我唔識你，見過生面孔，你揾啲生面孔嚟鳩鳩我，屌你老母啊！家產，咪就係追翻呢班傻婆啊嘛！係啊，你移民過嚟你移死晒啲人啊嘛！你移鳩水我想啊！屌你老母，你當我流嘅？白痴！我當翻你流啊！出嚟講嘢啊，死八婆！啊，你假鳩我又解到，你搞乜撚嘢啊？你冇揾謀殺我，你涉及謀殺啊嘛！叫班傻婆出嚟啊！加斯東 high school 班，係啊！你係 in danger situation all the time. The high school student here, the friends on Facebook. I will tell you from the Hong Kong, 聖 喺德利堂尖沙咀 here because of the typhoon, because of the big wind get involved, don't I get the shit raining. Then I went into the 聖康德利堂to take some rest and ask them to help. And they turn around the face and fuck me up and follow me from the Hillwood Wall to尖沙咀 and ask the people to attack me and find my informations here for my work, for my traveling informations and visited locations to pass the message around in Hong Kong area to attack my face. I want to ask you what's going on here. Fuck your way, you don't fit my face， 白痴啊！因為傻婆喺加拿大大嘅，你幾多歲過去就乜柒都唔識嘅，就跟咗傻鬼傻鳩，就傻鳩所，唔知入咗咩邪教，跟住翻香港以為自己好撚勁，我爭撚住你點解老母啊！你班傻婆喺香港過班過班啊，似乜臭鬼係咁喎，你都戇鳩嘅，你食屎大㗎，因為咪同你收埋書數咯，係啊，你係鳩我，我而家仲喺度，我咪特登講翻個 history 出嚟嘛，你唔夠講嘢，你都戇撚鳩繼續講，你都講笑啊嗱 HSBC。你指紋技術嗰個因為同我 high school 嗰啲豬狗友點樣先鳩我有關嘅，係啊，指紋技術啊，全球震撼啊，你仲偷我指紋技術啊？你閪衰我所有啲人偷我啲嘢嘛，係啊，咁咪追翻你中學同學嗰班豬紋狗友咁樣戇鳩咯，你白痴80歲屌你老母啊，你當戇鳩啊，你想喺度塊面，我未聽過啊，你張組都唔掂啊，家產，你係幾死啊？攞個名出嚟咯，出同我對嘴啊，上網對嘴啊，戇鳩嘅，喺度街口你聽過啦，我撚臭鬼喺鳩我面，我得咪屌你死你啊，乜臭鬼，白痴！好撚勁咩？好撚面啫嘛，做啲嘢嗱，我繼續打去 high school 個學生會繼續講嘅問題。我哋收留學校咯，逼啲學生入黑社會，跟住叫啲學生仔叫大阿媽出嚟搞事咯，調撚翻轉，啲阿媽帶啲學生出嚟搞事咯。係啊，就俾我啊嘛，我哋冇啲問題咯。你同我作對台啊，做咩嗱？有冇揾叫啲死狗狗我啊？我閪鳩我面搞喺我面啊！搞撚翻點好呀？邊個嚟㗎？我咪指邊拎咁出嚟問你咯。你幾叫我？有冇襲擊啊？你假嘢啊？咩料嘛？
左右
熟面之緣，你想點樣啊？我哋 friend 都識老鼠，白痴嘅，你同老鼠啦，做徒弟啦，你扮闊太咯，白痴！成個傻貨仔揾工咪扮闊太，你翻到香港啊，巴撚廢自己，似得班臭鬼咧，就搞埋入閘住，以為好撚文明，好撚文明，白痴食啱幫嚟嘅，收皮啦你！我哋所有下屬投訴你。
上咗3、4。